In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite budget-friendly recipe for black bean fried rice. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jonathan, and on this channel we're on a journey to financial freedom, talking all things money, personal finance and entrepreneurship. So I'm a restaurant owner, so I really want to combine my love for cooking with my passion for helping you save money and live well on a budget. So as you can see, I'm in the kitchen today to show you one of my favourite recipes because it's fast, it's easy, it's delicious, and most importantly, it's very budget friendly. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of how cheap this dish is. So yeah, this video is pretty different to the other videos that I've made, but the reason I want to share this video with you is because I know how difficult it can be to shop on a budget. We spend thousands and thousands on groceries every single year, and there are so many easy, cheap recipes that you can make on a budget without compromising on your health or your taste buds. And I am hoping to make more videos like this, just sharing some of my favourite budget-friendly recipes that can hopefully reduce your supermarket shop costs and help you on your journey to financial freedom. So I personally love to cook, but I know not everybody does. So I've made sure this recipe is really easy, really simple, really fast to make. You really don't need to be a great cook to make this dish. So the dish I'm going to be cooking is a black bean fried rice with tofu. It's great for veggies and vegans, but literally anybody can enjoy this. So today I'm just going to be making one serving of this, but you can easily just scale it up by doubling or tripling or timesing it by however many people you've got. All the ingredients are pretty easy to find in the supermarket, or you may even already have some of the ingredients already in your kitchen. So I'm going to be using 200 grams of cooked rice, half a diced red pepper. I prefer to dice it, but you can cut it into whatever sort of chunks you like. If you like a thicker chunk, then just cut it into thicker pieces. One spring onion sliced finely. Quarter cup of garden peas. I use frozen ones, but you can just use any. Frozen ones are usually just cheaper. 50 grams of firm pressed tofu cut into small cubes. Half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to be using 3/4 of a tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of black bean sauce. I use one from the Chinese supermarket. The brand is called Lee Kum Kee, but I'm pretty sure you can pick this one up in Tesco if you're in the UK. And they do sell on Amazon, and I've put a link in the description. If not, there are many other different brands of black bean sauce. But if you can't find it, it's not the end of the world, because you can just substitute like hoisin sauce, which will give your dish more of a sticky, sweet flavour. And if you like your food spicy, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of chili oil. But this is optional, and you can add more if you prefer your food to be really spicy, or less if you want it to be milder. The chili oil I use is also Lee Kum Kee, and I use it in loads of my cooking. I really like it, but it is quite spicy, so you only need a little bit, which means it lasts quite a while, so it is pretty cost effective. And I'll also put the Amazon link for that in the description. So let's get cooking. I start by putting my cooking oil into the wok. Then I add my tofu. I fry the tofu on a medium to high heat for around 2 minutes. And then add my diced red pepper. You want to get the tofu and the red pepper slightly browned, so cook for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Sugar, the cooked rice, the black bean sauce, your soy sauce, the peas, and then the spring onion. I usually like to keep a bit of the spring onion for later to use as garnish. I also add chili oil at this stage, but you could skip this if you aren't into spice. Then just stir fry it on a high heat until your rice is fully heated through and starts to brown. Turn off the heat and you're ready to serve. top with some of your sliced spring onion, and then you're ready to go. So this recipe serves 2 people for around $1.75 or 88p per person. So now I'm just going to go through and break down the cost of each ingredient, just so you can see how you can do it for this price. So for 200 grams of cooked rice, it costs about 14 pence. Half a red pepper is about 21 pence. 1 spring onion comes to 8 pence. My frozen peas cost about 3 pence. For 50 grams of tofu, it's about 25 pence. The soy sauce is 4 pence. Black bean sauce is 11 pence for the 1 serving. The cooking oil is about 1 pence. So the total cost of the meal is 88 pence, or 1.75 for 2 people. So if you live alone, this is a great dish to make because it reheats really well. You can make 2 or even more portions and separate them into Tupperware. You can freeze it or refrigerate it and then just throw it back in the microwave or even just heat it back up in the wok. Just one thing, make sure you're careful when storing rice, as rice can grow bacteria really easily when left out at room temperature. So I'd just make sure that if you're batch cooking it, that you refrigerate it or freeze it straight after you've cooked it. So it works out at less than 90p per serving, which I think is pretty good for such a tasty meal. And I really hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Or if there's any meals you'd like to see on a budget, then also let me know. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye for now. Okay, let's dig in. Mmm.